Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to study about the importance of statistics in economics, or you can say how statistics are. You can say it is beneficial in economics. So the first one is understanding the performance of the economy. See, statistics is very important to understand how your economy is performing, right? Because we get data like what are the performance of our economy. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अभी बहुत ज़्यादा डाउनफॉल चल रहा है इकोनॉमी का, या बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा चल रहा है, बूम पीरियड है, बेरिश पीरियड है, तो कैसे पता चलता है हमें? इट इज़ जस्ट पॉसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ statistics that we come across, like aggregate production, total production क्या है हमारे इकोनॉमी में, our employment, national income, level of prices and etc., which ultimately helps us in determining the performance of our economy. Next is your understanding the importances of various sector. You know that we have three sectors in our economy, namely primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. So statistics helps us to know which sector is performing more effectively and which sector is not performing productively. Okay, so we can easily compare among different sectors of the economy, which sector is productive or which sector is not productive. We can get to know about that. Next is your studying the regional balances and imbalances. See, statistics also helps us in finding out the differences between different regions of an economy. For example, we say that Bihar is, you can say, comparatively less educated than Kerala. How we get to know? We just get to know about from statistics. We can easily compare. For example, we can say we get most of the you can say agricultural production from Punjab and Haryana. We can compare it. Is it clear? We can compare different regions of the economy. We can easily find out the balances and imbalances in an economy. Next is your studying the role of government in an economy and in the formulation of economic policy. It is just possible because of statistics only that we can know about the policies of the government. You know that government takes all the information, they collect all the informations, and you know that government collect taxes from the people, right? It also takes loans from the banks and all, and it pays interest on these loans. It also incurs various expenditures like on defense, on education, on medical, etc. All these are the important activities of the government. So it is very essential to know about the statistical information of the government. So it is beneficial for the government also. Next is your statistics for planned development. See, we know that we have limited resources. So, it is very essential to ensure that we are using the resources efficiently and effectively. And we can do so only by evaluating our 5-year plan. And how we will evaluate? When we will get all the statistical information from the government. So, it also helps in the plan development. Next is better comprehension of the basic principles of economy. Like we study about law of demand, law of supply, demand क्या होता है, supply क्या होता है. So until and unless we don't get numerical facts, how can we study about demand and supply? So it also helps in understanding the basic principles of economics effectively. Next is your quantitative expressions of economic problem. We can easily express the economic problems in the numerical form. For example, we can easily say like this much unemployment is prevailing in our country, or you can say this much death took place. So whatever economic problems are, we can easily express them in numbers. Next is statistical is helpful in research. See, you know that statistical is collection of data, presentation of data, interpretation of data, and so on. So if you want to research something, if you want to get new ideas or formulate new economic laws, statistics will definitely help you a lot. It will provide you with a base of your research. So these are the importances of statistics. So Marshall stated a very important line about statistics, that statistics are the straw out of which I, like every other economist, have to make bricks. Next is your limitations of statistics. So you know that जहाँ पॉजिटिव चीज़ें होंगी वहाँ पे नेगेटिविटी भी होंगी. So what are the limitations or what are the drawbacks of statistics? First one is statistics is not concerned with individual observation. In our last video, we have studied that statistics is related to aggregate facts. We cannot state individual observations under statistics. For example, in statistics, we are concerned with monthly income of different persons in a particular organization and not with the income of a particular person. So we take it as an aggregate and not as an individual. Next is your statistics does not analyze qualitative phenomenon. We said that because statistics only take quantitative aspects. It does not take love, it does not take height, it does not take weight rather than numbers. It does not take goodwill, it does not take honesty, and so on. Statistical generalization are true only on average. So if we are taking these observations or we are taking these data only on an average, then only this statistical concept will be correct. For example, they give us the approximate result and not the actual result. For example, if we say that the food production has been increasing at the rate of 4% per year for last 10 years, it does not mean that every year it is increasing at this rate. We are taking it as an aggregate. So statistics basically gives us an average idea, not the relevant information. Next is improper use of statistics. As you know, there are too much numerical facts in the statistics, so it becomes very difficult for some people to understand it. So it leads to misuse of statistics and leading to misleading conclusions from them. Okay, so if you are unable to handle quantitative data properly, then definitely you will end up taking out wrong conclusions. So these are the importances and limitations of statistics. Kindly learn it, and with this we have finished this chapter. Okay, so please study. Thank you.